In today's video, I will show you how to create this circular stretch effect in Photoshop. Choose the rectangular marker tool and make selections like this. Press Ctrl plus J to paste into a new layer. Again, make selections. Press Ctrl T, hold Alt, and scale like this. Hold Shift. Press Ctrl E to merge layers. Go to Woman layer and remove the background. And add layer mask. Drag this layer to the back. Go to Adjustment layer and choose Solid Color. Choose this color and press OK. Drag this layer to the back. Go to Filter, Distort, and choose Polar Coordinates, and press OK. Press Ctrl T and adjust accordingly. Add a layer mask. Choose the Brush tool. Start brushing. Select this layer. Go to Layer Style and choose Drop Shadow. Follow this setting. And if you satisfying, click OK. Right-click and choose Create Layer. Click the shadow layer. Add a layer mask. Choose the Brush tool. Create a new layer. Choose the Brush tool. Press Ctrl T, hold Alt, and scale like this, and decrease the opacity. Done. Subscribe our channel for more such tutorials.